Welcome to Creative Kids Park YouTube channel. Let us learn the names of fruits. Kids, what is name of this fruit?
Apple.
Well done. It is an apple. Do you know the name of this fruit?
Orange.
Well done. The name of this fruit is orange. Can you identify this fruit?
Banana.
Excellent. This yummy fruit is banana. Kids, what is name of this fruit?
Mango.
Good. Do you know the name of this fruit?
Pineapple.
Amazing. It is pineapple. Can you identify this fruit?
Strawberry.
Brilliant. It is delicious strawberry. Kids, what is name of this fruit?
Plum.
Great job. It is plum. Do you know the name of this fruit?
Fig.
Good. This fruit is fig. Can you identify this fruit?
Grape.
Well done. Yummy grapes. Kids, What is name of this fruit?
Watermelon.
Excellent. It is a watermelon. Do you know the name of this fruit?
Pear.
Amazing. This green fruit is pear. Can you identify this fruit?
Cherry.
Brilliant. This is delicious cherry. Kids, what is name of this fruit?
Tomato.
Great job. This red color fruit is tomato. Do you know the name of this fruit?
Lemon.
Amazing. This yellow citrus fruit is lemon. Don't forget to subscribe to Creative Kids Park YouTube channel. See you in next video. Bye bye.